What it do? What it do? What it do? What's up, guys? It's your boy Raheem, and I'm finally back with another XG reaction. I know it's been a minute, gang. Had to cover other groups, but we back at it. So today's reaction is going to be to XG Girl Gang. A lot of you guys been hitting me up about it to react to it. And you guys also told me that the official music video is not the full version of the song. So react to the dance practice. So in this video, we're going to cover both. So make sure you guys watch it to the end. Let's jump right into it. All right, let's get it, gang. I know the visuals in this one's probably banoodles, because pretty much all their videos be wildin', bro. Oh, that bike look tough. Oh my God. Hold on. Yo, who the hell made this beat? Dang, it shit sound like something Timbo would make. You know what I'm saying? If y'all know who Timberland is, he worked with Aaliyah and Missy Elliott, and, you know, quite a few other people. His catalog is fire. I ain't gonna hold you. My goodness. Talk your shit then. Oh my God, bro. Sing on them then. Oh, okay. Talk your shit heavy then, XG. Yo, they going crazy on this. The singing, the visuals is banoodles already. I'm loving the costumes of this shit already too. And everybody who produced this, put in the work for this, hey, this shit is tough. One thing I'm gonna say is that part where don't let these pretty faces fool you. We savages type shit. That's they telling y'all we savages underneath these pretty faces. You know what I'm saying? Don't get it twisted. We with all the smoke. We with everything. Anything y'all want, we got it, bro. We with it all. That's why I like XG. They ain't scared to tell y'all niggas they with this, but they with the shits.
Don't you let these pretty faces fool you. Savage underneath. There's no limit, nothing that we can do. Whatever the problem, we're not as solved.
Hey.
Never big fights with a girl game. All of my ladies are fire.
Let's go there. Workflow.
Never pick fights with a girl gang. All of my ladies are fire. Rolling with queens is a female empire.
Nah, that was my favorite part when they hit that workflow, hustle gang. That shit hard, bro. Nah, this one definitely they assert dominance. They telling you that like everyday challenges, no matter what the challenges is, we thrive through them shits. You know what I'm saying? We push past them shits. We hustle hard. You know, workflow, all that. We do all that and still conquer. Let them know, XG. Talk your shit, man. I love it.
There's no limit, nothing that we can do.
Nope.
Whatever the problem, we're not as solved. Workflow, that's a game. Never big fights.
That beat, nigga. What? Workflow, hustle gang.
Never pick fights with a girl gang. All of my ladies are fire. Rolling with queens is a female empire. Bow down, get back.
This shit cold, bro. Yo, that visual wild. Yeah, this shit was merch. This shit right here was so cold, man. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this song, what you think this song was about. I definitely think it was about like XG asserting their dominance, letting people know like we're not a group you can play with. Um, basically talking about like the everyday struggle, the challenges that they go through. They always push through them because they're winners. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just disappointed that this video wasn't longer, bro. My goodness, man. All right, gang. You know what we're here for? One of my favorite groups. Y'all know I'm XG biased, man. I'm not gonna hold you. Ooh, that Adidas jacket go crazy. Hold on. Uh-huh. Let's go, Kokona. Hey. Let my girl Chisa. Okay. Come on, Jury. Woo. Hold up. Hold up. That was merch. That was so cold the way they did that. Oh my God. Chisa twirled her hand around and then Kokona and June was like, bow, bow, bow. That's what? Oh, that shit was hard. Hold on. Hey. Let's go. Uh-huh. Go ahead. Look at Army. Hey. Yo. Drea getting it. Let's go. Let's go, Maya. Y'all know damn well that Maya and Kokona is like right here for me. I'm not gonna hold you. They right here for me. I love the whole dang group. You know what I'm saying? But they right here for me. They right there. Bitch, you can't match these stats. Try to catch up and stay one step ahead. Bitch, you can't rip up these checks. Give it a shot, but you learn it finesse. Confident chicks with a whole new swagger. Never so high, gonna need a ladder. We got something extra hot. Yummy, yummy out the pot. Let's go, Hinata. Let's go. She back there killing it. Come on, Chisa. There's no limit, nothing that we can do. Whatever the problem, we know how to solve them. That sounds so satisfying. Hey, come on, Maya. Uh-huh. She's a thug for real? Like she over there banging on him? What? Run that back. Hold on. Go. I thought she was about to put the big B's on him for a second. That was, yo. Merch, I'm not gonna hold you. That dance practice was stupid fire. The day I get tickets to a concert would be like, be one of the happiest days of my life. Let me know which one of them really stuck out for you in the dance practice down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that next reaction right there. I'm out. Love y'all, gang. Peace.